Rick's Firearm Academy of Detroit salutes Black History Month. Every day this month, Rick's Firearm Academy of Detroit will be honoring and recognizing patriots, heroes, and revolutionaries who fought for freedom. Before we introduce today's subject, today's profile, we are going to take just a few seconds to ask you all who have been listening to this series that if you've been enjoying listening to it as much as I have been enjoying providing it to you, I'm merely going to ask a small favor of you as tribute for our work and for your edutainment. I want you to like our YouTube channel, Detroit CCW. Also, share it with your friends on all of your social media platforms. So we've paid for the rent. Let's go ahead and get this issue started. Today's honoree is Robert Smalls. Just before dawn on May 13th, 1862, Robert Smalls and a crew composed of fellow slaves, in the absence of the white captain and his two mates, slipped a cotton steamer off the dock, picked up family members at a rendezvous point, then slowly navigated their way through the harbor. Smalls, doubling as the captain, even donning the captain's wide-brimmed straw hat to help hide his face, responded with the proper coded hand signals at two Confederate checkpoints, including at Fort Sumter itself and other defense positions. Cleared, Smalls sailed into the open seas. Once outside of Confederate waters, he had his crew raise a white flag and surrendered their ship to the blockading Union fleet. In fewer than 4 hours, Robert Smalls had done something unimaginable. In the midst of the Civil War, this black male slave had commandeered a heavily armed Confederate ship and delivered its 17 black passengers, 9 men, 5 women, and 3 children, from slavery to freedom. Man, this was an incredible deal. This was one heck of a story, and you probably never, ever heard about it. This has been another edition of Rick's Firearm Academy of Detroit. Salutes to heroes. Today's hero was Mr. Robert Smalls.